Today I'm going to show you my process in taking a broken Apple Watch and making it look new again. I've done this repair thousands of times and have had clients mail them in from dozens of countries in the world. Let's get into the video. I have this Apple Watch. It's a Series 6 40mm, and I also have this Series 6 40mm as well. This one only needs the glass to be replaced, as the display and the touch work perfectly. The first thing that I'm going to do is remove the bands and isolate some of the glass shards. And this one, the touch works except on this side. For example, I can't touch the power button, but I can touch the cancel, which means that the damage done up here has caused an issue with the digitizer. So in this video you'll see a successful glass repair on this one, and then a glass and digitizer repair on this one as well. Now that I've removed enough of the shards of the glass in the corner, I will then take this very thin piece of plastic and slice in between the gasket there and the glass, ensuring that I'm not inserting my plastic in too far, because if you insert it in too far you might damage the display or the flex cables that either attach to the display or are part of the display. Now we can take a look at the insides and verify that touch still works. Looks like we're not having any issues there. I'll let that heat up for a second. Add some isopropyl alcohol. Now I'm going to carefully peel back the sticker and unlock the latches for the display and touch. Gently pull out the cables. I'm going to carefully insert my wire and slice in between the layers of the display and the glass. A second pass will get it all the way off. And I'll do the same on the second display. And now it becomes very apparent why this screen was having touch issues. If you see that light spot right there, it's a delamination of the digitizer layer, which is why we had basically no touch on this side. And as I roll back, the adhesive becomes even more apparent. As you can see, there's an actual crack in the digitizer right there. Now we'll go ahead and remove the digitizer from this one. I've set myself up for success, as I've already inserted a piece of plastic to help me get started on the separation of the two layers. I'm going to carefully peel back the stickers so I can get at the digitizer connector. And there we go. It's always fun is to see how flexible these digitizers are. I've got my new digitizer in glass and my OCA. We'll clean up the glass to ensure there's no dust, fingerprints, smears and smudges. And I'm going to take my new OCA sheet and line it up perfectly and carefully roll it out on the glass. We'll stick that in our laminator. And while we wait for that, let's go ahead and clean up our new digitizer and do the same thing with a new sheet of OCA. Line it up carefully and ensure that it's nice and square. They both need to have small bubbles removed, so I'm going to stick them in this autoclave. Set it to 5 minutes and hit start. While we wait for the bubbles to remove, I'm going to go ahead and clean up the displays. I use this clean room wipe, which is basically a refined microfiber cloth, and acetone is my preferred cleaning solution. Here I've got the display that needs a new digitizer, and we'll do the same with it, making it nice and clean. The 5 minutes are up. We'll wait for the pressure to drop, open up the machine, and inspect for any bubbles. Carefully remove the protective film for the OCA and set in our display. Give it a nice press in the center and we'll put it in the laminator. Push start and repeat the process with the other display. Carefully lining it up, ensuring that it's nice and square, and giving it a nice press in the middle. We'll laminate that one and take the other out. You can see that there are plenty of bubbles still between the layers of the glass and display. Same with the other one, so we'll stick them in the autoclave as well. I'm going to set this one for 9 minutes and hit start. Let the pressure go all the way up. Wait for our timer to finish. And there we go. Now that the pressure has been relieved, we'll then open up the autoclave and examine each display for any bubbles. And that one looks good, so let's take a look at the one that needed a new digitizer. This one looks great as well. After peeling back the stickers, we'll pull off this blue protective film and fold over the digitizer flex cable and line it up with the other connector. We'll then slide in this connector, the ZIF connector, and close the latch. Put back the stickers. Now we just need to plug it in and test it. Now that we've got it all connected up, we'll turn it on and test it. Now does the 3 touch? Yeah, let's try the power button. Yeah, and let's slide it around. I'm not losing it anywhere. That means the touch has been restored. And this watch is good to be closed up. Now I just need to clean up the border, and I'll put it under pressure for at least overnight, if not 24 hours, and we should be good to go. This watch is looking brand new again. If you need your watch repaired, I'll leave a link for my website in the description below, where you can submit a repair request and mail in your watch to have it repaired. Thanks a ton for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.